Welcome to Puzzle Buddies, the tiniest, friendliest school for big thinkers like you. Today's mission, subtraction. Let's learn how to take things away using real puzzle pieces. And here to help us are our clever friends.
Hi, I'm Thricy. I'm made of 3 puzzle pieces and I love jumping into challenges.
And I'm 40. I've got 4 smooth corners, and I always count carefully.
Thricy, 4B, are you ready for some subtraction fun?
Here's a puzzle tower made of 4 pieces. Now watch closely. 1 piece slides away. What do we have left?
4 minus 1. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 pieces left. That means 4 minus 1 is equal to 3.
Correct. You're subtracting like a pro.
Look! A puzzle path made of 5 pieces. But oh no, 2 pieces fall off the path. How many are still on the trail?
Let's count together. 1, 2, 3. That's 5 minus 2 is equal to 3 again.
Now here's a tricky one. We start with 6 puzzle pieces. 3 pieces slide away. Can you figure out how many are left?
6 minus 3. Let's count what's still here. 1, 2, 3. Whoa! It's 3 again.
3 times in a row. But don't worry, we promise subtraction has more answers too.
Okay, time for a speed round. Ready? We have 3 puzzle pieces. And 1 falls off. Quick! What's left?
2.
Now, 2 puzzle pieces. And 2 fall off. What's left?
0.
Amazing job, Puzzle Buddies! Today you learned to subtract by thinking, counting, and having fun. Remember, subtraction means taking away and checking what stays. Until next time, keep puzzling, keep smiling. See you again soon on Puzzle Buddies.